Okay, everyone here, huh? Okay. Good day to the Director of Banking Department, Bank Mega Malaysia. I'm Catherine from Team 1. Today, I would like to propose about the digital transformation for Bank Mega Malaysia. For your information, we propose to make one digital wallet apps. So in this presentation, there are 4 things we would like to propose. The first thing is the risk management review. Second is the pricing strategy. Third is the driving question for these apps. Fourth is the group contract form. Next, I would like to invite Arif to talk about the risk management review.
Okay, hi, I'm Arif. Thank you to Kat. So after we do some research and observation, so we has identify some risks for the customer while using mobile app. First is privacy violation or breach of privacy. So uh, um, privacy violation also can means take place when sensitive information enter the program server or database, and it is illegally accessed by malicious attackers. So when the customer using the mobile apps, maybe their privacy can be accessed by the hackers or scammer. Um, Next is unsecure Wi-Fi network, public Wi-Fi. So, network level attacks at Wi-Fi hotspot that use a default admin password. So, hackers or scammers also can access to our privacy by using their hotspot, and they can get our information and or privacy. Next is SMS vulnerabilities and or SMS stealers apps. Okay, SMS stealer apps that get onto the user's device and intercept SMS messages that may be sent from their bank or from other online services as a form of two-factor authentication or transaction authentication. And last risk for the customer that may be faced while using mobile apps is fraud tool. Fraud tool is constantly analyze customer data and purchase behavior to catch their transaction, most likely to lead to fraud. Okay, there is two type of fraud that we can see. First is a stolen card being used to purchase good, and second is carding attacks where the fraudster run multiple stolen card to determine their validity. Okay, for the risk management solution. Okay, so we have identified the solution to overcome the problem or the risk. First is identify and protect sensitive data on mobile device. Okay, this can be done with testing and evaluating the whole mobile experience, including online banking or mobile banking and all mobile web-based so we can control many of the factors in the area, such as setting transaction amount, limit, and limiting the number of transactions. So this testing should also confirm that security certificates are in place and working properly. Second is implement user authentication, authorization, and session management correctly or thorough the and secure verification. Uh, we treating the customer's mobile device as one that is untrusted and insisting on various forms for authentication, such as secure password and side keys. Since most of mobile device now have built cameras, so customers can send their image for verification. Besides, authentication option include GPS positioning to confirm their location and also can use fingerprint verification. So third, secure data integration with third-party services and application, and also provide strong firewall and antivirus. So for further purpose, um, we customer are advised to install a firewall and have to up to date antivirus software to protect their mobile phone from unauthorized and malicious access by hackers. Okay, that's all.
Next, I'm going to present pricing strategy. As an effective pricing strategy, there are 5 points that very important. First one is value greater than price. Value greater than price, that something like they buy for 1 ringgit, then they enjoy for 10 ringgit things to do. So this will capture the customer attention to make them use the apps. The second one is design based on customer needs. What you needs, then we will design on for it. Something like you lack of you a taxi, then we will design a taxi apps for you. If you need to bank in online or transfer online, then we will create a banking apps beyond the expectation for a pay apps. The the fourth one is reasonable and affordable. If a pay apps is too expensive for public, then it will become a useless apps that everyone can. If you are reasonable, that they can pay or they have greater value for the apps, then everyone will dare to buy it and try it and make it become popular. The fifth is attract more sponsorship for beneficial using mobile apps. If more sponsorships is attracted for the apps, then the public will enjoy more beneficial that from the mobile apps. Yeah, pricing option for the mobile apps. They have three. They are free, premium, and pay. Free is completely free. So the completely free is the most important. Then they can get the sponsorship to support the apps to functions. Premium is free to download but with limited function. If some more importance for the apps, they will limit for it to use, something like you can trial for 1 week or 1 month. Then if you want to continue use it, you need to pay. Pay pay is pay for the apps. You need to pay before you using the apps. So the apps is need to pay, then you can only use it. Okay, next.
Okay, next I'll talk about the driving question for this project. The driving question for our digital wallet apps is how does this application can bring benefits to the users and Bank Mega Malaysia? The first thing is this driving question. The second driving question is how to attract users in using these apps from time to time. The purpose of us preparing these digital wallet apps is we can attract most client from Bank Mega Malaysia to use this application so that they are eligible to use this app in their daily life, which is very convenient. And also at the same time, Bank Mega Malaysia can also attract more users to use the service in their bank. Next, I will invite our team to talk about the group contract form.
Okay, next slide. Can you zoom a little bit? Okay. Okay. As you can see here, this is our contract form. Firstly, our I'm not see the words. Okay.
Anna, you can proceed your part now.
All right. Okay. As you can see here, this is our contract form. Okay. I can explain the roles and duties. Okay. Firstly, our facilitator will be Arif Hakimi Audidi bin Muhammad Saleh. So yeah, you can see the email address and phone numbers. So the main role of facilitator is plan, guide, and manage a group project assignment. Okay, as you can see here, one group member signed for computation. So Long Xiang, Mr. Long Xiang have signed the for completion the role. Okay, and Arif Hakimi also signed to agree the entire contract. Okay, next, as you can see here, the license, license. So, Li Longxiang will be the license. So the role is handle public communication, coordination effort, incident response, and conflict resolution. So, Arif Hakimi, our facilitator, have signed the completion, and Long Xiang also signed to agree with entire contract. Okay, and then next we move to time and date keeper, which is me, Nur Aina Afika binti Sazali, and then the role is stay aware of how it is using time, how much time is assigned to each task, how much time the team is using to accomplish a specific task, and then the completion have signed to Arif Hakimi, and I have signed to agree with the entire contract. Okay. And lastly, the group and lastly the document collector will be Catherine Lau Ching. So the role is responsible for the timely, accurate, and efficient preparation and management of document, and then control the numbering, sorting, filing, storing, and retrieval of both electronic and hard copy document produced by technical teams, project, or department. And also our facilitator Arif Hakimi has signed for the completion, and also Catherine signed to agree with entire contract. And then, unfortunately, I have to inform all of you that one of our staff, which is really Natasha, had to leave our company because of specific reason. And from that, we together have to divide the tasks very efficiently. Okay, before this, the document collector will be 2%, which is Catherine and me. Now I will delegate the remaining Natasha task as a timekeeper. And the document collector will be in charge by Catherine only. Okay, that's all. Any question?
Okay, thank you, Vika, for discussing about this group contract form. So that's all from team one. So yeah, so that's all from team one. So thank you to the Director of Banking Department of Bank Mega Malaysia. So this is our preparation and also our proposal for risk
Okay.
management and also the pricing
Okay,
strategy.
then I will be create the minute meeting for memo 2.
Yeah, thank you, Fika, for preparing the meetings of minutes. So that's all from us.
Alright.
So we hope to hear from our director soon to give a review and also feedback about our project. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.